Hey, we're here at gotomath.com looking at some calculus. Let's go down to Rolle's theorem, and of course this is the problem set right here, and we're looking at 1-1. So we got a picture to look at. Let's see, it says determine if Rolle's theorem can be applied. If so, find all values of c such that we plug c into the derivative, we get 0. Alright, determine if Rolle's theorem can be applied. So let's determine that first. First things first, this must be continuous in this interval, and it must be and it is. It's continuous. It's a polynomial. Polynomials are continuous on the entire real number line. What else? Did we talk about continuity yet? Yeah, we already talked about that. Okay. No wonder. All right, one other thing, must be differentiable in the open interval. In other words, that's if these were parentheses, we don't include 7 and 13. Is it differentiable? Yes, it's differentiable. And so another thing is that h of 7, which indicates this red dot right here, is equal to h of 13 and h of 13, which is where this red dot's located, and both their y values are the same. Let's actually move over to the whiteboard and write some of this stuff out. Okay, moving over. I want to get my logo in there. Alright, so we have h of x. Let's write that out. H of x is equal to x squared minus 20x and plus 91. And we're on that interval between 7 and 13. Alright, so we're going to look at this. H of 7. Now if we plug 7 into this right here, we get 49. We get a 140. Minus 140. Wait a minute. We should be getting 0 here. Alright, so that's going to be 0. And then we look at h of 13, and we plug 13 into this thing, we also get 0 out. And since this is true, so if, right, h of a, we consider this to be a, is equal to h of b, if both these are equal to each other, then we could use that Rolle's theorem, considering the first part of that's true. And so that means that there is an h, there is a c, there's at least one c, we know. Then when we plug c into the derivative, we get 0. So let's find that c. Well, that's easy enough. We just go h. First, we need to find the derivative. So the derivative is going to be 2x, and then that's going to be minus 20. We set this equal to 0, and of course we're plugging c in. And as we can see here, c is going to be 10. C is going to be 10, is that right? Okay, so there's our c. We found our c. Okay, we found our c to be 10 there. So let's that's pretty simple, you know. Just plug in your endpoints. If these are both the same, then we can use that theorem and so forth. So let's go back over to the web page. And we can count over actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, looks like that's about it. So that's occurring at this minimum point right here. Okay, and we want to make sure that everything's correct, and it is. All right, so you want to come over and practice. It's pretty simple. So you understand Rolle's theorem, and I'll see you over there at gotomath.com.